Alright guys, welcome back to another recap. I'm going to try to do my best and get this one done pretty fast. Pretty clean trading overall. Traded two tickers, mostly Tesla. So I'm going to go ahead and get straight to it. For everybody that's new, I stream live every single morning, 15 minutes before market opens. And I do these recaps daily. So if you guys learn something from these recaps, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Any questions, comments down below, leave it in the comments. I do offer a course, 150 off. The coupon is down below. Anyway, so today I am locking in and walking away with 1.1k on the day, $1,130 pretty much. Really clean trading. If you see my P&L, I took one good trade, took another good trade, kind of choppy, and then boom, another good trade, and then kind of gave some off the top a little bit. I think the most I was up was 1.2. I could have found more trades, but Friday, penny stocks were kind of dead and Tesla was the only thing, and it was kind of range trap for a lot of the time, so I could have maybe caught this move down, but at that point I wasn't sitting at my charts. Decent week, I think. Over 3K profit this week. So Tuesday 600, Wednesday 1,000, Tuesday 1,000. I think Monday was the only red day, and this is the only red day I've had all year. So if I go to reports and calendars, I've only had one red day all year so far. Back to Tesla. So pretty clean trade on Tesla. Actually, coming into the market open today, again, I've been bearish on Tesla every single day for the last 2 or 3 days, and I'm like, this is it, bearish. And I was doing it again. I really wanted this thing to stay under this 188 level here and then catch the short back on down. I really wanted to push back down to 180s. So that was my price target. I thought Tesla could go back down to 180s, but it didn't right now, and so it ended up pushing. It was very strong, and so at this point I quickly switched my bias, something I didn't do yesterday. So I switched my bias. The only thing is that I didn't get a good trade. I think, let me go ahead and show it. I traded very clean, but I didn't get a good entry where I was in, boom, 800 shares or 1,000 shares or even more. So the first trade I took there, 300 shares, looks like I took my profit almost right away. Scalped this pullback there. Got some nice profit again here, and then this was a bigger trade to end the day. So, and then I think I did come back and just took one tiny scalp there. I was looking for the breakdown of this area, which was this move here, but kind of barely got it there. I think I made 20 bucks. So let me go ahead and go over it right here. So the first move, now because I was bearish and I wanted this thing to go down to 180, because it didn't do that and this thing showed strength. At this point again, I was like, you know what, let's go back to 196.76, which was a previous high a couple days ago, so you guys can see on my 5-minute chart, 196.76, and then at that point take out that high and move up to the $200 mark, which we didn't even get today. We got to 199, literally $1 away. So anyways, I took this micro pullback here, or this 1-minute pullback there for a long, only 300 shares. I can't risk jumping in here with 1,000, because this thing could easily go down to VWAP, go down to this pivot there. So I only took a small size, got the push up a little bit, got some profit there. Looks like my other trade was this pullback here. I took that pullback there, pretty nice, wrote it up again. Then I think I took, maybe, did I take this one right here? I took maybe some down there. I'm not sure if I did. This thing is so glitchy all the time. Change stocks and come back to it. So it looks like I took that dip right there. And then on stream, like I said, free every day, 15 minutes before market opens, I was looking for the move from 195 to 197. Now, why 195 and 197? Same thing. 197 was the previous high, which was 196.76, but I thought, just the 25 cents extra get us to 197, and really almost 200. And 195, because we could not get out of this 195 right here, which is right there. So you see Wicks tries to go, nope, tries to go, nope, wick. So I thought if we get over 195, control 195, we could get that run. And if you see, this thing absolutely ran after it actually took control of 195. Not a single pullback, and that is a move that I made most of my money on, because I rode that up pretty well. I think I got in somewhere 195, maybe 196, and then followed it up. But there was no pullback. There was no clean retest. There was no clean pullback to 195, So it looks like I added 195, and then I added 195.70 or 98. So I just added as this thing was going, and then sold 196, so $1 higher, 197, $2 higher, 198.5, so almost $3 higher. And so that was a move that ended up putting me back over $1,000 on the day. And then at that point, it kind of chopped around. Here I would have looked from 199 to 200, or it kind of started forming this. Let me go ahead and move this again. It started forming this low off of this pivot, 195, the same one, or yeah, 195. Which one? Yeah, I guess this one up here. So this is the one I just added. That's why I was getting confused. 195.60. So this pivot held. This is where I took a short here, try to get this pullback, but it did the same thing right here. Once it actually gave it out, this thing sold off pretty crazy. And then it looks like I made 1,090 with the actual shares. I ended up taking a put just because it was 0 ODT today, somewhere up here in this area, but it was just a $70 trade put option that I ended up writing down, and I just stopped somewhere down here. At one point it was up 130% at the max because those things move fast, but because it was time decay and expires today, I lost a lot of it back, and so I ended up barely closing it for like 40 or 50 bucks profit or something like that, maybe even less, I'm not sure. But anyways, so still a 1.1k day. The other trade that I took was HSCS for literally $6 profit, and this one I kind of messed up because I think I had the right idea. I jumped in somewhere in here, or I hesitated too much here and missed the squeeze here, but that's what I should have gone. And then I think I went for high a day and was basically trading it up here when I should have gone in right there. So I a little hesitated on that one. And that's about it. So another great day, another great week. This year's going off to a great start. 1.1k today. If you guys like these recaps, make sure to hit the thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, concerns, comment down below. I stream live. Come say hi. Over 100 people every single morning. And you guys have a good weekend. You guys enjoy the weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday.